Most consumers in America have no idea that this is happening. If you have opened a bank account, hired a contractor, signed up for a gym, or invested in crypto, you have already given up your right to sue in court, and you did not even know. Today, I'll show you how arbitration is quietly replacing the American court system, and the single biggest mistake consumers make that destroys their case before it even starts. I'm Max Dilendorf, attorney at Dilendorf Law Firm in New York. My team has been arbitrating complex cases since 2019. We successfully represented clients in over 100 arbitration proceedings. We represent individuals and businesses nationwide in every major arbitration venue, including AAA, GEMS, and NEM. Our practice is built around going up against billion-dollar corporations in private arbitration and winning. If you signed up for any service or signed a contract in the last 10 years and have a dispute with the bank, broker, employer, your partner, maybe your spouse, crypto exchange, or any major company, this video is for you. What I'm about to explain can mean the difference between recovering your losses or watching your opponent walk away with your funds. Here's what most consumers don't know. Arbitration is the new litigation in America. There is a clear, deliberate shift away from state and federal courts into private, confidential arbitration. Some venues are already powered by AI. For example, AAA just rolled out an option where an AI arbitrator decides the case. In limited circumstances for now, but it shows you exactly where things are moving. Every contract you sign is governed by an arbitration clause. Your phone, your banking app, your insurance, your service agreements, all of them. If you have been wrongfully terminated, arbitration. If your crypto was stolen from Coinbase, arbitration. Even personal injury is moving into arbitration. And here's the thing. Those arbitration clauses hidden in the terms you accepted, well, they're fully enforceable. It doesn't matter if you read them or not. The federal courts have confirmed this over and over again. Now, here's where it gets concerning. Consumers are at a massive disadvantage. The rules were not drafted for consumers. They were created for corporations. And corporations now have access to incredibly powerful legal AI tools and agents, systems that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions. The average consumer does not have access to the same systems to defend themselves. So it comes down to who has more powerful AI on their side. And let me be very clear, do not arbitrate these cases relying on ChatGPT. The error rate for case citations is over 50%. You will get destroyed. Here's the truth about most arbitration practices. They're still run on 1990s workflows. My law firm doesn't operate that way. We use sophisticated systems built to neutralize the corporate resources. We offer institutional depth at a boutique speed. We match the horsepower with 50 attorney law firm. Now, what most consumers and attorneys get wrong, and stay with me because this is the most expensive mistake I see. It costs cases, it costs millions, and it's completely avoidable. Arbitration is not litigation. There are no federal or state rules of civil procedure. You get one arbitrator, and that person is the ultimate decision maker. Decisions generally cannot be appealed in arbitration. An arbitrator can deny your discovery requests for any reason without explanation, and we've seen this happen many times. An arbitrator bias is real. We've had cases where arbitrators clearly favored corporate defendants. In some matters, we even had to file motions to remove biased arbitrators in the middle of proceedings. A knowledgeable opponent who understands arbitration can twist the arms of their opponent. They know how to leverage the rules. That's why you need someone who knows the system inside out. The most important decision you'll make is picking the right arbitrator. Never accept automatic assignments by arbitration venues. There is an entire strategy behind shopping for the right arbitrator. And one bad choice can destroy your case before it even starts. You don't want a personal injury arbitrator handling a crypto theft case. For cybercrime, you need someone technically savvy. For a divorce, a former judge who handled family law. And here's the mistake that I see constantly. Consumers representing themselves would file a demand for an arbitration with a 30 or 50-page complaint. That's a massive tactical mistake. AAA rules don't require a written complaint. You're not in federal court, so why are you filing your complaint, giving away your strategy and weaknesses to your opponent on day one? The biggest leverage consumers have is discovery war. You lose discovery, the case is over. Most matters come down to getting the right discovery. Expert witnesses are absolutely critical. Every case we file, we bring in expert witnesses with federal enforcement backgrounds or other regulatory specialists, whatever fits the nature of the dispute. And look, this is not really consumer arbitration. It should be called corporate arbitration. These systems were designed by corporations for corporations, and they want everything out of the public eye. Confidential, private, no juries. That's exactly why corporations love the system. But the system can be leveraged for consumers too if you know how to leverage it. We do. If this was valuable, subscribe. Every week I publish videos on asset protection planning in the age of AI, cybercrime, arbitration strategy, and crypto, as well as complex commercial disputes. This channel is built for people dealing with real complexity. If you are thinking about bringing an arbitration case or you're already dealing with one, reach out. I'm Max Dilendorf, Dilendorf Law Firm, New York. My direct contact information is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.